What if the smartest AI systems aren't learning only from our world anymore? What if they're learning from worlds that never existed? Here's the problem. Modern AI needs enormous amounts of high-quality data, but finding enough useful real-world data is becoming harder. Think of it as a data wall. The internet keeps growing, but the supply of genuinely valuable training material doesn't grow at the same speed. And simply scraping more pages doesn't magically solve it. More noise can mean more confusion, while copyright and privacy create another problem. So researchers started asking a completely different question. Instead of searching for more data, what if we simply created the data we need? That's synthetic data, information generated by computers to behave like real-world data, without needing every example to come from reality. Imagine a flight simulator. Pilots practice dangerous situations digitally before facing them in the sky. AI can do something surprisingly similar. Here's where it gets powerful. We can manufacture rare situations that might take years to encounter in the real world. One digital world can generate thousands, even millions of variations. Same lesson, different conditions, again and again. And there's another advantage. We can create realistic training examples without exposing every real person's private information. Need 1,000 rainy roads? Generate them. Need unusual customers? Generate them. Need 1,000,000 edge cases? Generate those too. But synthetic data gets even more interesting when AI can generate the environment, observe what happens, learn from it, and try again. Now the machine isn't waiting for reality to teach it. It's creating practice, testing itself, learning from mistakes, and repeating the cycle. Sounds perfect, right? Not quite. A computer can become extremely good at a world that isn't actually the real world. If the synthetic world is wrong, biased, or too predictable, the AI may learn those mistakes perfectly. Perfect practice can create perfectly trained errors. That's why the future probably isn't synthetic data versus real data. It's both. Real data for grounding, synthetic data for scale and imagination. And this changes the game. AI doesn't just consume information anymore. Increasingly, it can generate environments where intelligence itself gets trained. So the next generation of AI may not be trained only by the world we built. It may also learn from worlds computers create. Welcome to the synthetic revolution.